We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding.
It has officially been a year since my wife and I have signed up with Replace Your Mortgage. Our experience has been life-changing. We were able to pay off our credit card debt, school loans, and car loan in less than a year's time. I've spent far more money on a bachelor's and 2 master's degrees, and still find this education to be far more valuable and life-changing. My wife and I are excited to see what the future brings, as we are now focusing on paying off our rental property to create additional income. Thanks, Michael, for your assistance along our debt-free journey.
We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.